If you're a YouTuber in 2025, or you're planning to start in 2026, then stop scrolling. Because the mistakes creators made this year, they destroyed channels, ruined incomes, and some people lost everything overnight. 2026 can be your breakthrough year, but only if you avoid the traps I'm about to reveal. So listen carefully. In this video, I'm going to break down the biggest YouTube mistakes creators made in 2025, how those mistakes cost them views, money, and entire channels, and what you must do differently in 2026 to grow faster and earn more. If you find this helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe. I make content like this all the time. Let's talk about brand deals, the biggest mistake of 2025. In 2025, tons of creators accepted sponsorships from earning apps, earning websites, gambling platforms, money-making games, shady financial apps. And guess what happened? Channels disappeared, strikes rained down, and creators got stuck in appeals that were instantly rejected. YouTube got extremely strict with earning category sponsors, and 2026 will be even tougher. So listen, it's not that you shouldn't do sponsorships. You should, but stay away from earning apps and gambling-related deals. No amount of quick money is worth losing your entire channel. Another massive mistake in 2025. Creators started selling their channels. Buying and selling YouTube channels became a trend. People were offered $500, $1,000, $2,000, even more. Here's the problem. A lot of creators had multiple channels on the same email account. They sold one channel. The buyer posted shady content. YouTube flagged the account, and all the other channels linked to that email got removed too. Creators lost everything, even channels they never sold. So in 2026, if you run multiple channels, do not sell even one of them. Don't take the bait. Protect your entire ecosystem. Many creators complained, "Bro, my YouTube money dropped." Yeah, because they relied only on AdSense. Right now, AdSense earnings are around 40 to 45% lower than usual. In 2026, you can't depend on ads alone. Here's what smart creators will do in 2026. Turn on channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks. Host live streams for super chats. Use all monetization features. Sell digital assets. Your ebook, your course, your service, your templates. Learn to sell to your audience. That's where real income begins. Even I ignored shorts for half of 2025. Big mistake. Shorts are not just about views anymore. They are a product-selling machine. In 2025, creators who posted product-based shorts, even with low views, earned more from affiliate commissions than long-form creators earned from ads. In 2026, this will be even bigger. Make product-based shorts. Tag products using YouTube Shopping. Add affiliate links. Even if one item doesn't sell, others will. Earn commissions every single day. If you travel, record with your GoPro, mention it, tag it, link it. You'll earn automatically. Do not ignore shorts in 2026. This is one of the fastest ways to grow and make money. This mistake destroys creators every single year. People say, that creator is posting risky content. Nothing happened to him, so I'll do the same. Wrong. YouTube's AI is extremely strict now. Strikes are automatic. Appeals are instantly rejected. Monetization is removed in seconds. Just because someone else is breaking the rules and getting away with it temporarily does not mean you will survive. If content looks risky, don't touch it. Protect your channel. 2026 has no room for careless mistakes. All the mistakes I listed are real. They destroyed creators in 2025. But 2026 is your chance to avoid them and build a channel that grows fast, earns more, and stays safe. If you want your YouTube journey to blow up in 2026, hit like, drop your opinions in the comments, and subscribe so you never miss videos that can save your channel and boost your success. I'll see you in the next video with a brand new topic that can change your game.